G'day guys, welcome back to the channel. And on today's video, we are going to have a look at the LS2 FF-808 Stream 2 helmet. It's the second version of the Stream series, and we're going to have a look at it. Let's dive right in. Okay guys, as you can see, Stream 2 is a resistant KPI material, extra comfort, liner, UV scratch protection, eyeglass fit system, and it has LS2 4X system integratable. It's a system by Cardo. It fits directly into this helmet, which is a nice thing. And this is an extra large helmet. I want you to have a look at the nice LS2 logo up here. Have a look at the paint, guys. Brushed titanium look. Have a look at this bottom vent here. Now, from what I've read and seen, they say that this helmet has a very good venting system, hence the name Stream 2. The vent down here and the vent up here has a very good venting system. I want to show you here at the back as well. The back vents does not open, it stays open permanently. Okay, and it has LS2 logo. Okay, I've gone ahead and taken the logos off the visor here. So what I want to show you here is you have on this helmet, you have this pin lock that catches the visor that you need to release in order to open the visor. Guys, have a look at the quality of this material here. I want you to just have a look at that. If I can get the camera to point that out or to highlight it. If you can see that, very high quality. Okay, let's move back a bit. Let's pick up the camera a bit again, because I now want to show you the inside of this helmet, if possible. I want you to have a look at the insides. That's a very good looking helmet inside, as well as this material on the cheek pads. Have a look at this clasp. There's LS2 here, and this, when my old helmet was just this little nylon strap, this is a plastic handle to release the clasp. Also, I'm going to pick up the camera here. Always ahead. Have a look at that, guys. Okay guys, I test fitted the helmet now. It sits very nicely. I have a couple of issues myself. I wear these things, which makes wearing a helmet not very pleasurable. To be honest with you, it usually presses here, which then deforms my glasses or gives me one pounding headache, because on the sides of the helmet here, it's usually too tight. So I have to force my glasses in, and that's not really what you want to do if you wear glasses. Unfortunately, that's how it is. However, this one, the glasses does go in stiff. Okay. However, it's the first time I've put my glasses on in it. That will loosen up within time. The cheek pads are very tight. It presses against my cheeks so that I have to blow inside my mouth to get my cheeks out between my teeth, but that's fine. That's normal. It's a brand new helmet. The pads are stiff when you wear it for the first few times. So within a month or two, that will be fine. Then I have to say I like this clasp here. It works very nice. I haven't ridden yet. I will. Once you get past the cheek pads, it's very comfortable. Honestly, it's really comfortable. I don't have anything pressing on my ears or something. That's something that I hate, because remember, I must still install my audio system in here, my Cardo. So with the speakers in there, it takes more room even. So I can't feel anything pressing on my ears, which I appreciate. And guys, I will keep you updated about how it's going with this helmet. But before we go away, I want to say thank you to Bike Kings for a very, very pleasant experience with buying the helmet and a couple of parts from them for my bike. They'll definitely be seeing me again. Okay, guys, for this video, that will be it. I will keep you updated about the progress on the helmet and how does it feel within a month or two. But until then, take care, ride safe, and I'll catch you in the next one. Cheers, guys.